Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to do this really cool trick. It's called the Immersive View feature in Zoom. So let's just accept one of my friends. He's going to be helping me to see what it'll look like. So let's just admit him right now and wait for him to join. So I'm going to start by, as you can see, there is a view button right here on the top. And now I'm just going to click on immersive view. And then I'm just going to choose the one that I want. I want to choose this one, and then I'm just going to press start. I'm just going to click on the automatically one. This view will gather everyone in the same scene. Participants using older versions will view others with a dark background. So I'm just going to click on the start. Oh, you can't see that, sorry. I'm just going to click on the start button, and as you can see, this will happen to your screen, and it looks like we're sitting in a room. Yeah, very cool, right? And I don't know why. Oh, because his one is on a phone. That's why it's like a circle. And that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!